Okay, in answer to someone who asked me, I want to show you how to use gtts, that is a module uh, to use text-to-speech in Python. So let me go into a directory on my computer and let me choose one directory, or let me create a new one. I want to call TTS, and let me create also a text file here in this. Let me call it file, and let me put something to hello. I can speak in English, and let me save it, close it, and now I'm gonna do something here with gtts. And so let me open Python, import from gtts, import gtts. Okay, then if I wanna go and use that file, I can go with open file.txt and as file tts is equal to file.read, and oh well, gtts of file.read, comma, and for English. Okay, now it will take some time to do convert text to audio, and then tts.save audio.mp3. There it is, and we can launch it from here or with Python itself, with OS start file audio mp3. I don't know if you can hear it, but it works because I got my microphone. I don't have the speakers of the. Okay, so this is how you can use a file where you have your text, instead of having to write directly here what you need. So this is how you can do it. You can make different files, and so maybe you can work faster with an external file, maybe, or this one could be longer, and so you could go on and write more text more easily. Maybe this could be another reason. Thank you.